Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 314. It's a medium level problem and again a problem based on bit manipulation. I really think that the Leetcode problem setters are loving bit manipulation. So I think almost in every contest or in every second contest we get a problem related to bit manipulation. So yeah, good problem. Again a good problem. So the problem name is find the original array of prefix or. So you are given an integer array pref of size n. Find and return the array ARR of size n that satisfies this condition. Prefix of I equals to ARR of 0, XOR ARR of 1, XOR dot 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 ARR of I. So basically you are taking similarly, you take a prefix till I and you take the XOR of all the elements, right? Note that this symbol denotes the bitwise XOR operation. It can be proven that the answer is unique, right? Let me just explain you what it is saying. So suppose there are certain elements, right? A, B, C, D, E, dot 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 dot, right? Suppose this is my array. So what the problem is giving me, what the problem is given, it is given as a prefix array. And what is the value at each index? So at index number 0, they have taken the XOR of all the elements from 0 to I. So for 0 it will be 0 to 0. So here the first element that I am giving, the first value in the pref is A. What about the second value? I take XOR of first two values, so that is A XOR B. What is the third value in pref? That is A XOR B XOR C. What is the fourth value? That is A XOR B XOR C XOR D, and so on. So this is given in the problem. I need to return this, right? I need to return this. Now, I would highly suggest that you guys just pause this video and give it a try, or else probably once you see the explanation, it will become very easy to visualize that what basically is the solution for this, right? Now, just see. Let's see. Just see the first element. This is the first element in the pref array, and this is the first element in the original array also. So let me forget about this. Let's construct an answer array that I'll want to return. Now prefix of 0 will only take the XOR of the first element. That means it will just as it is take the first element, right? A. Now how I will calculate the second element? So just see one thing. The second element is A XOR B, right? Now if I take I need to find out B, right? So if I take a XOR with A will cancel, I will get B. So that means if I take XOR of ith index and I minus 1th index, I will get this. That is B. And that is my answer for the second position, right? That is my answer for the second position. What I have done, I have taken the XOR of I and I minus 1th index. Let's check it for other indices as well, right? This is A XOR B XOR C. So A XOR B XOR C. Let's take a XOR with the previous index of prefix that I have. So that is A XOR B. So A XOR B. Now the property of XOR is similar value cancel each other. So A cancels with A, B cancels with B, I get C. So here I get C. Let's check it for the next index. This one and this one. You do XOR for this to find the value at this particular index. You do XOR of this and this. So again A, B and C cancels out. You are left with D, right? So just try to visualize these in the terms of variables and we'll be good to go, right? Don't take raw numbers. That will become tough. So here you can see what we are doing. You just take to find the ith index, to find the value at the ith index, you take the XOR of ith index and I minus 1th index in the prefix array, and then we are good to go, right? Simple stuff. So that is what I have done in my solution as well. Let me just fetch the solution. Yeah. So as you can see, on line number 3, I have calculated the length. On line number 4, I have constructed the answer array, and on answer of 0 equals to prefix of 0. Sorry, just to simplify the things, I could have taken a variable as well, but yeah, just coded it this way. In case I would have taken a variable, I would have taken, suppose the value would have been previous would have been initialized by 0, and at every iteration I would have updated that value and a bunch of other things. But this code is much simpler. You initialize your answer of 0 with prefix of 0 because that is the only element you have, and then On line number 7, you iterate from I equals to 1 to n, and answer of I equals to prefix of I, XOR of prefix of I minus 1, right? Whatever I told you, that's what we have done. And then we finally return the answer array, right? Yeah, pretty simple stuff. So I hope you learned something new from this video. Do support it by giving up thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel. In case you have any queries, mention that into the comments. We have been solving some bit manipulation questions recently, whatever have came into the contest, so you can refer those solutions as well to get a better insight about the techniques related to bit manipulation, what are the different type of problem that we can have, and all that, right? So yeah, take care, bye bye.